Okay, so the first cutting technique I'm going to show you is the bâtonnet. I'm going to take half of a potato. I have already washed and peeled this. And what you're going to do first is you are going to cut it into a rectangular shape. You want to cut the edges off until it becomes rectangular. You can just move those to the side. And once you have gotten your rectangular shape, you are going to start by cutting into 1/8 of an inch slices. After doing that, you are going to get them aligned and you are going to flip them over and cross cut them. And there you go. So you have your bâtonnet. You got some nice clean cuts there. The next thing I'm going to show you is the dice. And how you dice is you just take some of your bâtonnet pieces. I'm going to put the rest over on the side. And you cross cut those like so. Again, into 1/8 inch pieces. So there you go. You got some nice diced pieces. The next thing I'm going to be showing you today is how to make a julienne cut. So I have another half of a potato and I am going to, same as the bâtonnet, I'm going to cut it into a rectangle shape. Again, you just cut the edges off like we did for the bâtonnet. Just make a nice rectangle shape here. You want to have it kind of precise. And these are going to be cut into 1/4 of an inch pieces, so they're going to be slightly larger. And again, we are going to cross cut these like so. And here you have some julienne pieces. They are the same as the bâtonnet, except they are slightly larger. And to make a brunoise cut, you are going to take some of your julienne pieces, and same as you did when you diced, you're just going to cross cut them like so, with 1/4 of an inch pieces, so they look slightly larger than the diced. The next thing I'm going to be showing you today is how to chiffonade. So I'm going to take away the excess potato pieces right here, and I am going to just put them in this bowl, so then we are keeping our area clean. And to do the chiffonade cut, I have some leaves here. I have some leaves and I'm going to roll them up kind of like a taco. Roll them up just like this. And you're going to take your knife and you're going to cut like this. So then you have these long, thin pieces like this. And you can just take the stem away. And those should have been cut a little bit thinner, but oh well. And I'm going to move this to the side because the next thing I'm going to be showing you is how to make a diagonal cut. This is also called a bias. So I have a carrot right here, and I am going to take my knife and I'm going to cut it in the diagonal shape, just like that. So I'm going to take away the head there, and keeping the slices the same length, we just have nice diagonal slices. And there we go. The last thing I'm going to be showing you for these simple knife skills is the rondelle cut, and this one is probably the simplest of all. This is just a simple cut from a circular vegetable, and it's just going to make nice circular pieces. Just like this. There we go. Thank you so much.